Hi, my name is Heather Hiles. I'm the founder and CEO of PathBright, which is a Web 2.0 digital portfolio platform. We're a platform that we believe facilitates and encourages learning and actual growth. And much like the previous speaker, I've dedicated the last 25 years of my life to helping people realize their academic and professional goals. And I really believe that portfolio technology done properly can actually advance. But I don't know if I can advance my slide. Let's see. Am I pointing at the wrong thing? Okay, there we go. So essentially, the problem that portfolio learning, I think, uniquely is created to solve is the fact that today's students are actually learning and needing to learn how to identify tomorrow's problems and actually identify the solutions that have yet to be created. And it's these capabilities that employers and admissions officers are looking to assess in terms of how do we learn, how are we able to improve our own learning. And in fact, I'm very committed through our technology to helping people build up their meta-learning, which is their ability to own their own learning process, and their own metacognition, which is their ability to assess what they know and what they need to know in order to be successful at the next stage. So we believe that we're really on the process to changing and transforming how people teach and learn and grow. Our portfolio platform, and again, I'd also be happy to give you a direct demo, is one where we have built on the processes of reflecting on what one's learning, documenting and reflecting on it, and being able to share that and get feedback and high quality input from teachers and counselors and coaches and supervisors, so all types of teachers. And it is in that process that I believe we're actually pushing the envelope around how people can learn and also do a self-audit of what they're learning, and are they becoming more efficient with pattern recognition? Are they learning to identify problems more rapidly? Are they learning to learn? And this is what I think is actually what we would call here the return on education that needs to happen and be evaluated better in any educational institution as well as in any corporate environment where we're contributing to that company's success. Our dashboard, our minimal viable product was launched last June, and it is a portfolio experience where anyone can go online at PathBright, create a portfolio that pulls together all the digital evidence of what somebody is learning. You can pull in your transcripts from Stanford University, you can pull in test scores from ACT, you can pull in work samples from your LMS, you can pull in stuff from Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, all kinds of stuff, and include it and pull it into one portfolio that showcases what you're learning in various areas. And then you can curate that media. You can attach any type of media, video, photo, Word document, et cetera. And we just released a few weeks ago PathBright for Educators, which allows for teachers to create a blueprint, if you will. We call them learning maps. But these are blueprints of what skills, a destination of what skills and competencies you're looking to seek or showcase that you have evidence of that you possess these skills. So you can imagine if an employer is looking to hire you as a store manager, you might want to see that the person can manage a P&L and that they know how to hire people and that they have certain HR capabilities, et cetera. So you could actually show that as a destination or a learning map. And a teacher in the classroom, for example, can actually have artifacts and activities, assignments, if you will, that they can give exemplars to and attach to any kind of scoring, rubrics, what have you that they want, but give them a blueprint of what that student needs to do to create their own portfolio, to showcase their own evidence of achievement. This is something that we've made portable so that the individual learner can have in their own personal account all of the evidence, all of the data of what they've achieved, and then they can showcase and share various specific portfolios to different audiences, a professor, a teacher, an employer. What we've learned is that in building this platform, we've built one that's ecumenical and open to all types of curricula and content, that allows for teachers and coaches of all types to create learning maps or destinations and goals, blueprints, if you will, and is accommodating of all types of badges, such as Khan Academy badges, evidence of what you learned in Khan Academy, or certificates or transcripts. And actually, these are similar needs that also exist in the corporate environment. Companies have e-learning solutions that they need their employees to take part in. They can create MBOs or destinations of maps of how they want to track the development of their employees. And they have their own degrees and certificates and such that they'd like to track. Our architecture is such that I'm a huge believer in that we should own our own evidence and data of what we've learned and achieved, and then we should be sharing it with various audiences. So we can securely provide to students official signed transcripts, official portable test scores, badges that they've earned on Khan Academy that have securely been brought into our system and other places where you can earn badges. And then holistic, completed course-related portfolios can be submitted to a school and can be on file there. I'm fortunate to have an amazing world-class team working with me. My Chief Product Officer, Chris, in the pink shirt over there, built online training within PeopleSoft and similarly helped Symantec and Veritas with their efforts. Reagan Carruthers, who is our salesperson, has worked with lots of channel partnerships and is an amazing person who's very committed to ePortfolio learning. We have one of the world's best developers and architects in HTML5, Mavis Ledford, our CTO, and one of my early angel investors, but somebody I worked with a number of years ago who came from running marketing at Digital Think, is our Chief Marketing Officer. And so we have a wonderful team that's very committed to trying to really make the most and benefit our learners as much as we can by taking together the data about what they've learned and achieved and helping them with their future success. We have distribution deals with partners like Pearson, and we have customers such as Stanford who are using our platform in schools. Thank you very much.